Soccer DBB number 756, and that is one box of 2016 Spectra Soccer, guys. Every spot is 2 teams, one good team and one not so good combo or not a good team. So rolling the dice, Snake Eyes re-roll. We're gonna use the same dice roll for the other random as well. So here we go. 5 times on the not so good teams. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got Austria on top and Croatia at the bottom for Spectra. And then we're gonna do the random for the better teams. Also 5 times on the random on that. 6. Alright, 5 times. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got Brazil on top and Argentina at the bottom. So here are your teams. Let's hope you get something nice. Oh, Silvio hat mit der 8 Germany. Uh-oh. Alright, guys. Good luck. Let's see if we can get something nice out of one box of Spectra. Good luck. Der Stefan sagt, jetzt war er dann am Mac. Alright, good luck. Let's see. Oh, one card missing. Sorry. Here we go, guys. Last card is a base, I guess. The last 2 should be base. Yeah. We got a die cut base for David Silva and Spain. Spain is Frank. David Silva for Spain. Purple die cut base, number 235. 20 of 35. Then we got base of James for Colombia. Number 275. We got Morgan Schneiderlin for France base and RVP Netherlands base, as well as Thiago Silva base for Brazil. Alright, first hit is Relic Ochoa for Mexico. Mexico is... Oh, there. Nicole. Relic of Ochoa, number 275. Then we got another relic of Courtois for Belgium. Number 199. Belgium is... Where's Belgium here? There it is. Kelly. Alright, first autograph is Yilmaz for Turkey. Red auto, number 265. Turkey is... Turkey. Let me see. Ben ich blind? Did I forget Turkey in the list? I hope not. China, Bosnia, Poland. Where's Turkey in this list? Alright, so we gotta do a random. I forgot Turkey in this list. I'm not sure why. Alright, so we're gonna do a random on this one. Alright, next up is autograph of Aaron Ramsey for Wales. Nice. Number 199. Aaron Ramsey, Wales. And Wales is... Hector. And the last one is also a nice one for... Ich hab's auch vergessen. No, this time it is in, because it's going out to Arturo Vidal and Chile. Und das ist auch Hector. Nice. to 149 for Chile. So 2 hits for Hector. Congrats, Hector. We're gonna do 1 random on the turkey hit. Here's the list of all who got in. Not sure why I forgot it. Alright. Not the best box, by the way. Alright, Snake Eyes reroll 10 times. Winner gets the autograph turkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inter Stefan, you get the turkey autograph. Alright, that does it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. I'm out. Peace.